Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Barry. This is my first um, headstone cleaning. I got permission from the township trustees to clean these stones, so I thought I would do this one. This is a Civil War veteran. His name is, I believe it is Erastus McIntire, and he was in the Company H 74th Ohio Infantry during the Civil War. I don't have any information about him as far as when he died, but his wife is buried right next to him. And I picked this one because it had a lot of algae growth. And like I said, this is my first cleaning. I probably don't do everything right, so be kind. Give me a comment. I'm trying to use the proper tools I bought from Atlas Preservation. That right here, I'm just taking a like a spatula that I got from them to clean off all the algae, and it was pretty thick, as you can see there. And like I said, I'm gonna get better over time, so I know that I'll have a lot to be desired here. Especially me. I see these videos and I'm going like, well, this is a great indication and I really need to go on a diet, but I digress. So what I'm trying to do right now is just clean off all the algae that I can with that brush. And then there's some big empty spots there between the lettering I'm trying to knock off. I was sort of, at a loss what, the exact procedures to do I've watched 100 videos, but, when you get out there actually doing it on your own, you sort of freeze up and forget a lot of stuff. So I was using that. And then, let's see what else I got up my sleeve here. Oh, then I thought I'd take a brush. These are Tampico brushes, which are supposed to be some of the best. I think they're horsehair brushes. They're supposed to be really easy on the stones. I bought this, I bought all this from, they're Magnolia, by the way. That's the brand. And I bought them at Atlas Preservation, which they seem to really support people cleaning. And this is the D2 biological solution. This is approved by, I think, the National Cemetery Association, and that is what they use at Arlington Cemetery to clean all their gravestones. I did not have the correct nozzle for the sprayer, and it seems like I'm spraying way too much. That stuff's expensive too, and I'm spraying way too much on there. I wish I had missed and not sprayed, so I'm going to change that and go buy another one. But it's getting its money worth on the on this stone. Let's see. So I let this soak in for about 10 minutes. I come back and I think I tried to scrub it, but it was really hot today. So I think I need to go back and actually wet it down some because the sun just dried it all out, like immediately. Oh, and I got this little brush. Like I said, I also got that from Atlas Preservation to get in the lettering because that big brush was just not getting in the lettering. And it may not look like it, but I am trying to go easy over the lettering. I don't want to cause any scratches or scrapes. Like I said, I will learn the techniques better and get better as time goes on, but this is by no means the best cleaning video you've ever seen. I'd say it's probably in the top of the bottom. Yeah, and then I get frustrated there and say, maybe I need some more water. Just got this sprayer. It's a Husqvarna sprayer. I got it down at Lowe's. It's a 2-gallon, by the way. Look at that all that green stuff just melting off. That, you know what, that's satisfying in itself, just watching all that growth just dissolve. Same thing on the back. Although it wasn't as bad on the back. The sides were pretty bad, but the back wasn't too bad. I think the reason why this one is so bad is there's a tree right next to it, so it gets a lot of abuse from the tree. Just trying to go through all the lettering there. And half of me is just trying to think, what should I do next? Should I take that brush? I like that brush better, actually, when I figured it out, because it's got a good handle, good grip. And if you want to see more of my cemetery videos, you can always click, like, subscribe, go over to gravesitetours.com. I want to start this summer. I want to start doing a lot more of these. I want to start doing more cemetery visits of famous people, not so famous people. I just enjoy doing it. I need the exercise. It's a good way to get out and about and actually perform some kind of service. So it's a win-win. Look at that. I just hope that when I go back in a couple weeks that this brightens up like a shiny penny is what I'm hoping. That's after it dried a little bit. I'm going to second watering. Get out of the way. Thank you. See, that seemed to have set it up a little bit more there, allowing me to scrub it better. They say that you can put this D2 on and not clean it, but I'm anxious to see how this cleans up, so I didn't mind scrubbing a little bit. Missed a couple spots, but I'll get them here in a second. There's a little bit of buildup right there in that little V. I think we're getting close. Yeah. Like I said, leave your comments below. Be easy. This is my first one. I tried to do everything per the book. I didn't use any bleach. I didn't use any rough bristle brushes, and trying to do my best. So give me positive feedback, and like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all later.